good morning. Ngayibona. As you all know, ukuthi Ninja. So I'm gonna prepare food for him. Inja yami ayidli ma-dog more, guys. Iyamosha, ayifuni nje nalinye i-dog more. So lama dog more lawa bengiwathengele i-previous dog yami lehambile. So lona namuhla ngizama ukumixela ama-dog more and this chicken. Because itolo le chicken uyi-enjoyile. So ngifaka kancane. Just ukuthi ngimtry ngifuna asuthe because angeke ngize ngikhona ukuthi ngithenge mina ngifuna ngithenge 2 ma-braai pack akhe. Come closer. Ngifuna ngithenge 2 ma-braai pack akhe a week. So angeke ngize ngikukhona lokho. Ngizozama ukuthi ngimixela ama-dog more ngwamixe nale nkukhu. So we are not wasting food. I know abantu abaningi bathi yana uyamosha inja. Guys, uma uthatha inja is like uthatha umntwana umbeke ekhaya. Angothatha inja ukuthi itolami. Inja yami ngiyenza ihasel. Ngingimakwayo and mina ngiyasebenza. So angiwathanza ama-comment esikhathini esiningi. Yeah, I wish I was that dog. No, don't do that, guys. It's not nice. It's not a nice comment. Ayicharm. Iyabhora kakhulu. So uma ngabe uthi uthatha inja ngiyanifundzisa. Uma uthatha inja, nasha. Uma uthatha inja, guys, usuke uthatha umntwana utombeke ekhaya. So ungayihluphekisi. Ungabe wena uthatha lithamba uhlafuna and selambile, as you can see, nayi seyahlolwa nayibona. Seyilambile, yena sona seyilambile and nangisengiphakela. Iyeva ukuthi sengiyaphakela. So namuhla ngifuna kwenda show kusama-dog more lawo uyawadla because ngifuna ngimixe nale nkukhu. Angithandi guys lento yini ema-commenteni guys sometimes sefuna senenjani phela lokunye ngeke size kube private because umsebenzi wethu ufuna yonke into siyipost niyibone uyabona umsebenzi wethu loyo. So angeke lokuningi kube private sefuna inja yami mina ngayithengela ibhola 200 kanti makwakhe unathi Hennessy. It's wrong, guys. I hope namhlutodla because this looks so beautiful, guys. Yo, this looks so beautiful. Utodla by fire by force. Utodla utawudla angaqala akhethe le nyama ngamsonza afe shayani. Okay, where is lendwangu? Alright, ifike njani lendwangu lapha esitulweni? Okay guys, mina angithanzi ngiyatinyanya but ish angithanzi kuhlala ngizoli khona. So we're going to go together. Sibone ukuthi iyadla yini. Ne? I'm just cleaning up here. Lecanza until towale. Towale lecanza. Lifuna lecanza lapha. Kuluma lifuna lecanza lapha ngoba litowa.
Lecanza lalikrekile lela.
Likreke ku. O ulitholele? Lebeluka.
Beluka so. Ibolasa lela.
Okay, cool.